Hi, this is Stepan from Clear Online Video, and welcome to this tutorial on collaboration tips for video editors. As the need for video grows, so too will the need for easy collaboration between internal teams and also when working with clients and companies. This tutorial will give you a few practical tips when working with Premiere and Vimeo. We're using the Creative Cloud 2017 version of Premiere and a Vimeo Pro account. The first tip is in the event that you're working on a video project that's going to be shared with other users for editing. Maybe you're collaborating on Creative Cloud or an internal network. Premiere came out with a really cool version control feature called project locking. Essentially, the feature ensures that two editors cannot access a Premiere project at the exact same time, which can cause a lot of problems. In this example, our in-house YouTube show is edited by different team members throughout the post process. I'd like to lock this project while I'm editing so that another user doesn't make edits at the same time. You can find the project locking settings by navigating to Premiere Pro in the toolbar, and then Preferences, and then selecting the project locking option. Here you would check the box to make this active. Next, you can input a username so that other users would see that you're working on this Premiere project. Once you're done, you can select OK. So in the event that another editor did try to access this locked project, they would be shown a message window that would say the project is locked by said user. They could still open the project, but it would open with read-only permissions. While it's simple, it's a really smart way to keep a team project safe. Next, I'll share another feature that came out that also really sped up our collaboration process. Most of you are familiar with Vimeo. If not, then I recommend checking out some other tutorials I've shared on interactivity and other amazing features with that platform. In this tip, I'm going to show you how to save time by directly uploading a video to Vimeo from Premiere. With our video ready for the web, we'll navigate to File in the toolbar, then Export, and then Media. You can also use the keyboard shortcut of Command+M on a Mac or Control+M on Windows. On the right-hand side of the settings, we'll want to open up the Publish tab. Here you're given a handful of different publishing options for your video. This is a nice time saver if you're using any of these channels and will automate your uploading process. We'll scroll down and look at the Vimeo option. All you have to do is log in with your Vimeo account. Once you're signed in, you can adjust some settings for privacy, add tags, and a description for your video. When everything looks good, you can export the video and it will get uploaded straight to Vimeo when the video export is complete. You can always deselect this feature for any of the publishing channels offered by deselecting the box. Finally, we'll look at creating an interactive review process for getting feedback and revisions on a video. Again, I'm going to use Vimeo, which allows for that interactive review process called Vimeo Video Review. This only works with a Vimeo Pro or business account. This process allows reviewers to click anywhere on the video and add a time-coded note. You can then take those notes and turn them into to-do lists to make revisions for your video. To share a video review page, navigate over to your video library on Vimeo. Go to any video and select the Share option. Under Share, choose the Copy Review Page link option. This will copy the link to your clipboard, and you can then share that link with a client or a team member. When the reviewer gets to the page, they can add notes by clicking on the video and on the parts they want edited. These can be seen and managed by the editor on that same review page. You can even export the notes to an Excel file with timecode and other helpful details. It's a pretty cool workflow that can speed up that revision process with detailed notes and timecode. Vimeo does offer free trials, so this might be something to consider for future video projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other tutorials on Streaming Media Producer.